Hello, how are you today? Today is your questions and answers. How can you change others? So that's what questions is. And so let's start talking about how we can change others. So we are building other business. Business can be your personal goals or professional goals, and I'm masterminding the information around the business. And let me introduce myself. My name is Anita Bansal. I am consultant of Thinking into Result. My mentors Bob Proctor and Sandy Galgar. And so today I'm going to share with you what I have learned. So how we can change others. If you're trying to change others, trying to change the environment, you're trying to change your family or friends or the environment, let me tell you, you're going to be spending whole your life changing them. And the end, you're gonna feel the miserable and the frustration and the something you're trying to change. You're going to create the same more by law, because everything works according to the laws and everything works according to your own mind, what your mind is trying to do, and either negative or positive. Even you're trying to change others in a positive, there's no such a way you can change others. So let's start, have the awareness you cannot change others. So you might be saying, how I can change them, how I want to see using the law of attraction and changing others. Let me tell you, changing others is not the solution. So what is the solution? You might be saying, what is the solution? How can I change others? You have to start to change yourself. And this what I have learned, this what I'm going to share with you. Most of the time, we're trying to change others. We're trying to change the environment. We're trying to change the friends. We're trying to change the family. The end, you're going to feel miserable. You're going to feel frustrated. You're going to feel it's opposite, something you don't want. So let me tell you, let's not focus on others, the environment, the family or friends. Let's start to focus on yourself, what you want, because the control is in your hand, because we are working with our own mind. We are working with the laws. So this is the secret. Laws and your own mind. When you start working on yourself, everything going to be a favor of yourself. Favor means you're going to attract things according to, because if we are working on our own mind, we are trying to change the way that the change we want to see. You might not able to change the circumstances, the destiny, but once you start to change yourself, the focus, and you're going to start to feel good about yourself. You're going to start to see the thing the way you wanted to see running in harmony and peaceful. This is every human being trying to do. There's no such a thing perfect being. We all going through something, and we all going through as a destiny. And so if we just wait and sit down and to change the destiny or change the environment, change the family, change the friend, you're gonna feel more miserable. So the what I have learned, once you start to work on start to focus on yourself, start to work with your own mind, with the universal laws, everything start to feel peaceful and harmony. This is what every human being is looking for. And this is what you're gonna get when you start to work with the laws. You will know how the laws works, and when you know how the mind works, and the life already becomes peaceful, already becomes harmony. We're not trying to change anybody. We're not trying to change the environment. We're not trying to change the family or friends. All we are trying to do to 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 see the change you want. So this is the way the universe works. When we are driving our car, each human being is driving their own car. It's just like changing others, family or friends, the environment, trying to drive other people's car. This is how it. When we do that, of course, we're gonna make the accident, or we cannot drive other a person's car while you're sitting with your own car and driving, and you cannot drive other person's car. So it's the same process. We cannot play other people's journey or destiny. All we can do start to learn how the mind works, how the universe laws work, and everything. Definitely you're going to see the change, and you have to change your focus. You have to change the way we think, the way we are using the laws. We have to learn the laws. We have to learn how the mind works, and then we have to change the focus, the change we want to see. So today all I want you to do, start to write down what change you would like to see in others, and write it down, and then you have to start focusing on that. This is what you want to see, and this is what you want to experience. This is the way, because once you start to focus on that, you're going to start to change yourself, the focus you want, the experience you want. Your energy going to start to change, your vibration going to start to change, and the outside circumstances going to change according to. This is how the universe works. Just like driving your own car, when you start to drive your own mind and body and spirit, and it's going to drive according to. So there's no control of in other hands. Your car, your body, your mind, your spirit, you are the control of yourself. Once you are control of yourself, your mind, your body and spirit, then everything going to be control of you. You're not giving your power to others. When we don't like something, the environment, the family and the friends, we trying to change others, you're giving up your power away, and definitely you're going to feel frustrated. You're going to feel angry, because when we give other people's power, definitely they're going to use it, and you're going to feel empty. You're going to feel frustrated. You're going to feel whatever you are feeling right now. So no need to change anybody. All you have to start to do, start to focus on yourself, what you want, and keep focusing on, keeps feeling is everything. We attract everything. Law of attraction is how we think and how we feel. According to law of vibration, we attract everything how we feel. So your homework is today, you have to write it down what you want, and then you have to convert your focus rather than on others. You have to focus on yourself, and keeps doing that, and keeps feeling that, keeps thinking that, and definitely you're going to see the change you wanted to see in others. And definitely you're going to see that. Try it for 40 days. This is your homework, and keeps doing that every single day. You have to think, you have to feel, you have to focus every moment, and not to focus on others, family, friends, the environment. That's what we do most of the time. We are focusing on others, and we are forget about ourselves. Here we are reminding how our own mind, our own universe works. And when we are control of that, you are control of everything. So hopefully this is going to help you. It's really helping me. I used to think like that, like the way you're thinking, the question being asked, and how can I change others? There's no, once you start to change yourself, you're going to see the change in others. Thank you for watching the YouTube, and please leave your comments. Your comments can help others, because when you ask questions, so many people are going to get help. And when I will try to answer it, and definitely going to help others. And please give a thumbs up if you like the YouTube. And I think that's all for today. And do your homework. Homework is taking action every single day, not just one day or 2 days, every single day. Now you have, your homework is to focus on sharp in thoughts, in feelings, in in action, and what you want. And And I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. And that's it. Thank you. Bye.